Hi, I'm Sam. I'm one of the co-founders of Chorus AI, and in this short video, I'm going to show you some of the main features of our platform. So Chorus AI provides nonprofit development and marketing teams with the tools to write high-performing content, and we save them 10 or more hours every week through our unified digital workspace so you can raise more money, engage more supporters, and ultimately have a bigger impact. So when you log into Chorus, you see our home screen here, and I'm going to walk you through a couple of things you can do in our platform that will highlight some of the main features that we offer. So one is, let's say I'm a development person and I'm looking to raise money from private foundations for my organization. So I can go in and say, in my research feed here in Chorus, help me identify some foundations that I could approach to raise money for my organization, Green Corps. So I get this really great research with all my sources cited. And let's just say, oh, Charles Sturt Bach Foundation. Sounds interesting. Let's go ahead and see what types of philanthropy they engage in and make the case for why they might want to fund us. So this is really helpful. I learn more about the foundation and I get a case for why they might want to fund my organization. So let's go ahead and use this. So if I just select my little research session here on the right-hand side, I can then open up my content composer, and then I can select a Google Doc or a Word doc or upload something from my hard drive about Green Corps and drop in the URL for our website and ask Chorus to write an email to a program officer at the foundation, inviting them to have coffee with me. And Chorus will be able to tap into all these different sources of context to write an awesome email. So here's my email. So I've got a really nice email with all of this rich detail that should be really compelling for why this person might want to meet with me. I can always regenerate my output if I want to add more context or give it a little more instruction. But I also have my chatbot, so I can brainstorm other angles to pitch the foundation on why they might want to meet with me. And then I can say, great, rewrite the email to focus on number 6. And then I get all these different suggestions that I can apply suggestions and apply changes just the same as I would with a colleague. Another thing you can do with Chorus is use Chorus to power your digital marketing operations. So we give you the ability to monitor social media across platforms. So I can go ahead and look at all these posts over this time period, sort them by share count or sort them by trending score or likes. And then I can select the posts that are getting the most engagement and use Chorus to write an analysis of the top themes and tactics that drove the most engagement over the last week. So here I go, very useful. So next step is I'm going to go ahead and look at my news tracker where I'm monitoring news on whatever different topics that I want to monitor. And let's see. Okay, so this one here about groups working to end youth homelessness in the Triad sounds nice, like the kind of thing I might want to talk about on social media. So I would select that and select my analysis of themes and topics. And now I'm going to generate 5 social media posts about this article, relying on the themes and tactics that drove the most engagement over the last week. So I get some great options here. And now I can go ahead and select one, hit share, and it takes me right into Chorus AI's social media scheduler so that I can get my post out, schedule it whenever I want to. Then lastly, I can look at our native social analytics dashboard to see what's working really well. So if you're interested in learning more about Chorus, please hit me up, sam@chorusai.co. Be happy to chat.